Yo everybody, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Today my name is Ryan, and today we're going to be doing a chest workout that you can do at home right now in quarantine. Yeah, it's going to be short and sweet, to the point. I'm going to be explaining it over a voiceover as my future self. So yeah, let's get right into it and take it away, future Ryan.
Alright, hold up. Let's pause this video for 1 second. If you are watching this video and you are not yet subscribed to the channel, make sure to do so down below, because my analytics are telling me that 95% of you are not yet subscribed. So go down below, press that red button, subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate it. Alright, back to the video. Alright, thank you, past me. We're going to start off with a warm-up, quick and easy. First, we're going to be doing 40 jumping jacks, and then 10 burpees, and anything you want to do with abs. I chose 10 ab rollers. You can do 10, 20 sit-ups, in and outs if you want, planks if you want for a minute. It's up to you. You can pick whatever you have at home is up to you, or if you don't have anything. But yeah, we're gonna do that whole rotation 3 times to get your heart rate up. I did it with a weight vest on. If you have one of those, that's preferable as well. It definitely helps. But yeah, so that was the warm-up, and on to the next one. Alright, so the first exercise we got here is some on the ground press. Make sure you get a mat, put it down. I've got some padding underneath me. But yeah, so I have two 40-pound dumbbells. If you have dumbbells in your house or kettlebells or any type of weight, you can use that. If you don't have any dumbbells or exercise equipment, you can use paint cans, propane tanks, people. But yeah, you can literally use anything. Make sure you're doing slow, controlled reps, squeezing your chest at the top to really complete that full exercise. And we're going to superset this with some modified flies. If you have a bar or something, you can flip your bands up and over like this. You just pull down on them, and I'm going to demonstrate, obviously, just like that. Some modified flies works really well. You'll be surprised how sore your chest is actually after these workouts. Alright, so after you've taken about a 1 minute break between your first superset, we're on to the next superset. So I've also got this 100-pound plate in my house for whatever reason. So I decided to use those for more of a close grip type flat press. You can still use whatever you want, just make sure they're closer grip. Yeah, so this was just heavier, obviously. Decided to do that for about 8 reps. It worked really well. So yeah, that's my second exercise for this workout. So the second exercise of this superset is some more modified flies. We wrapped a band around a post, as you can see here. So basically, me demonstrating this exercise is you bringing your arm across your chest while keeping your arm at the same angle, squeezing with your chest. It's 1 arm each, and do 10 to 15 reps on each arm. Do this superset 4 times, or 4 sets if you prefer that, and yeah, it worked really well. Now after that, moving on, we made a makeshift type of incline bench in our garage. It's just a bucket, a 2x4, and some mats to keep the bucket in place so it doesn't slide around. You could probably do this at home if you have some extra wood lying around in a bucket. You can make a little incline bench, use whatever you used earlier as your weights, and do some incline. Alright, so the second exercise is Dimond push-ups. You can obviously do these anywhere in your house. Do these for about 10 reps in the superset. The superset 4 times each with incline dumbbell press and these push-ups. And then we're going to move on to the next exercise after that. So the last 2 exercises I have for you guys are some more close grip presses on the ground. If you're using dumbbells, just push them together and tap them to your chest. It's pretty easily demonstrated here by myself. And if you're using anything else, just make sure you have your hands closer together and you're using more of your triceps on the push, but also still squeezing your chest. And the last exercise I have for you guys are some decline push-ups. You can do these off a chair or anything that is higher, put your feet up on, and basically just a push-up as I'm demonstrating here. And that is the full workout. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like down below. It tells me that you want more videos like this one, so I could make more in-home quarantine workout stuff. But yeah, and if you made it this far, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Let me tell you right now, your exquisite kiss still burning. Didn't know I missed this passion in life. Now I'm addicted. addicted somehow. Let me tell you why. What is up with your smile?